Hi, good day. This is part of the ebook of Writing Highly Effective Internal Audit Report in less than 60 days. Today we are going to learn the common elements of an internal audit report. Title of the audit engagement. This is the subject of the audit engagement. For example, procurement management, inventory management. Local entity under audit. This specifies the name of the local entity under audit. The name could be the actual name of the local legal entity or just the name of the country. Some companies combine the name of audit engagement and local entity under audit into one. For example, Singapore Procurement Management. Site location. This is the exact location name of the city and country where the audit engagement is performed. For example, Paris, France, Shanghai, China. Internal Audit Report Number. This is an internal reference by the Internal Audit Department to manage the audit engagement. Objective. The objective answers why the audit engagement is carried out. For example, the objective is to review whether the procurement management is properly carried out. Scope. This is to specify the scopes covered under the audit engagement. Those scopes not mentioned are generally understood that they are scoped out. You could also choose to mention explicitly the scopes that are not covered. Period of transactions under audit. If you are auditing the transaction for year 2016, then you could mention that the period is from 1st January to 31st December 2016. Period of audit fieldwork. This is to mention the exact date performing the audit fieldwork. Audit team. This details the internal audit professionals involved in the audit engagement. Size of transactions under audit engagement. This is the total value of transactions under audit. For example, $200 million procurement management 2016 means all the procurement activities occurred in 2016. Executive summary. There are several versions on the executive summary. It could be 1 or 2 pages summarizing the details of the audit findings, or it could be a high-level summary condensing the audit findings in 1 paragraph. Audit finding. This could also call audit observation. It details the fact that we found in the course of the audit engagement. Audit recommendation and due date. This could also call action plan, action item, or corrective action. The audit recommendation should address the cause of the audit finding. Each audit recommendation should have its own due date. Action owner. This specifies the owner for each audit recommendation. Management response. This provides an opportunity for the management to comment on the audit finding and audit recommendation when we send the draft of the internal audit report to them. It is highly important that we review the accuracy, adequacy, and relevancy of the management response against the audit finding and audit recommendation before distributing the final internal audit report. Rating for each audit finding or internal audit report. It depends on the companies what kind of rating they want to use. Distribution list. This defines who will be receiving a copy of the final internal audit report. Extra care must be taken into consideration when disseminating results outside the company. That's all for today. Hope you have learned something useful in the audit report writing. If you are interested to find out more about the audit report writing, please visit www.writeinternalaudit.report.com.